Hey guys, let's go through the triangle collaboration system. Here's a splash page here. I'll do full screen so you can see it better. Okay. $10 a month, unlimited tasks and projects, real-time chat, and you have unlimited workspaces. The idea is a workspace, you have one for each customer. But it is a free platform as well, so you can click on create your free workspace, right? And it brings you this login area. In my case, I'm just going to log in. Here you go. Here's the platform. You can see here you can create tasks. So I've got a task here. You can add a description to it, title, create a checklist, status, priority, a due date. You can even log hours on the task as well. Assign team members, have files associated with it as well. Upload new files, right? There you go. You can chat within it, create a video call. Very easy stuff. Create as many tasks as you want, and here's where you create as many workspaces as you want. Again, the idea is separate workspace per customer. The platform has a main chat as well. So here's the main chat. Again, it's got emojis. You can use a video call, kind of like a Slack type experience. Attach pictures, whatnot. Google got rid of their Jamboard. So here's a Jamboard for you, exactly how it was before. You can add pages, you can add these sticky notes, good for brainstorming. Add as many team members as you want. Good file sharing too, up to 100 gigabytes. And then you can create external links as well, so enable link sharing. There you go. And then there's a comprehensive settings area as well. These funny avatars, you can choose one of those, or you can upload your own. You can kind of white label one of the workspaces. You can upload your own label, logo, or have a logo per customer. Again, one workspace per customer, or one logo per workspace, like that. It's a good, easy way to keep organized. Okay. As you log time in each task, the idea is the tasks are over here, and you can export it. You can filter per member, per task, and per date range, and also per workspace. Export to CSV, then you have it on your own. This is cool. You can look at the change history. You can see all the different changes that were made. Then you can kind of find out who did what. Notifications, so tons of notifications. Those appear here in this notifications area. You have a history of it, or you'll get an email as well. If you don't want the notifications or you don't want the email, you can turn your preferences for notifications on or off. So billing, this uses Stripe, so it's very secure and trusted. $10 a month, you get unlimited workspaces and 100 gigabytes of storage. Or if you want to just use it for free, you've got one workspace and 1 gigabyte. So there you go. Security, change your password or delete your account. Support, there's a really easy support form. Okay, sign out, and there we go.